Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's connect to this phone, okay? So let me close the lid here. Now the buds are in the case. Let me open this up. Okay, now if you get a pop-up like this on a Samsung phone, you can go ahead and connect that way, okay? If not, no problem. First, put this in pairing mode, okay? There's a button here on the back. What we want to do is press and hold that button for about 5 seconds or so until it starts blinking 3 colors, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, which would indicate that it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and put that in pairing mode. Button here, press and hold, keep holding, wait, blue, red, green, blue, red, green. There it is. Now go ahead and let go of that button. And you have a Samsung phone, you probably have this pop up here. You can go ahead and connect that way. If not, no big deal. Just go directly to your Bluetooth settings. So we'll go to settings. And then from here, we're going to go to connections. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And that spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking those 3 colors. And it did find the Galaxy Buds 4. Buds 4 right there. Let me tap on that. We should get a pairing request. Tap on pair. Give it 1 second. And they're asking me to sign in to use the Samsung account, which I'm not really interested in. The Samsung wearable app that people usually use for those buds, but I don't use it. I'll just cancel the setup, and there you go. I'm connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these buds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.